Oh, so boring nowadays. I wonder what's in the mailbox today. Let's go check it out. What is this? Well then, I guess the mini mailbox couldn't handle it, so here goes nothing. Everything Immersive with another video. Me unboxing two things. Well, there was supposed to be one more. It's gonna be on the way, don't panic. You might have seen it in the Everything Immersive unboxing series trailer. So by that, of course, there's going to be a few different parts. I'm not going to tell you exactly how many there are. Anyways, no problem. Today we're going to be starting off with one of the products, which is going to be starting off with the wireless lavalier microphone. Of course, the Apple Watch is the best for last. I didn't do that. Shush. Alright, so we're going to be starting off with this wireless lavalier microphone, which cost about 14 Australian dollars. And I've just been mailed this. Anyways, this thing is for iPhone. It says support 1 to 2, which means there is 2 microphones in this. We don't know. And then of course it says for the iPhone. And it also says 1 to 2, which means that we expect 2 microphones here. It's more like a podcast microphone. For me, it's just gonna be for traveling and filming. So once again, you've got the live show, the vlog short video, and interview, I guess. And then let's just pretty much jump straight onto the unboxing. Alright, so let's get straight into unboxing this. Wow, that was pretty much what anyone could expect. Okay, well, I'll take that. The sliding experience was pretty satisfying. Next thing that we're gonna do is let's just move on straight to this adapter. And is it seriously new or is it just one microphone? We'll get back into that in a sec. Adapter wise, get a standard one. You've also got a charging port for the adapter. I think, not sure. Anyway, and then you just plug this in straight into your iPhone. Very basic. You've got some cabling here. Oh gosh, as you can see, it's really hard. Oh, never mind. Okay, it just comes out. And this one is USB-C. I think that's for lightning. It doesn't look like a USB-C could fit in it. Oh well, that's okay. And lastly, we've got just one microphone with a very bent what are these things? That's actually kind of sad. Why would you not treat your products right? I guess a $14 microphone isn't any great, I guess. We're gonna put that to the test in a sec. Alright guys, so this is my voice, approximately pretty far from me. It's almost close to 40 centimeters away. Let's just see how this wireless lavalier microphone turns out to be once we plug it in. Alright guys, so this is the wireless lavalier microphone. I have no idea what to expect of this. I do not know if this sounds good or not. Only the video editors can tell. However, we're going to be using this to film the rest of the review and also, potentially, unboxing the Apple Watch that we just got. So as you can see, this is the Apple Watch right here. Also, as you can see, there is a clip here as well that I can just clip into my shirt. I do not think I want to do that because I also don't want to compromise the severity of this video because this Apple Watch here is also very important. After all, this is a very fine product. I'm not gonna lie, especially looking at it from here. The looks wise is pretty good. It feels very cheap, however, but it's fine. It's a product. We still need it for our future videos. After all, I guess. Hopefully. As you just heard, this makes a ton of noise, especially when you are fidgeting around like this. It is extremely sensitive to the environment, which means absolutely not being moved, not being touched. Like, it has to be extremely critical. That's sort of a downside to this. I don't even like this. I mean, the audio quality, however, after doing a brief run up on the previous voice test is massive. You cannot hear any sort of background noise, which I'm pleased to hear. At the same time, it does that weird, annoying noises, which I am not a huge fan of. However, some people can avoid this, I guess, if you have like a proper microphone stand or something. But yeah, it does the job. So I guess I'm gonna be using this for a few of my videos. For the test reference, however, I'll be walking all the way to that window over there, and then I will be making my way back. Alright guys, so now I'm extremely far from where I'm supposed to be. This is almost like the other side of the room. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but hopefully you can. It's a pretty alright view outside today. It's about to rain actually. However, that's okay. Wonder how the sound sounds like. For example, turn the exhaust on. I don't know if you can hear that, but also if I move my microphone near, can you hear it? Alright, well, with this turned on, I am now gonna just talk normally. I just shake a bit of salt, I guess. How about that? Alright, so that is probably a lot of background noise. I don't know if that can pick it up. Alright, that should be enough for a test. Let's head back. Hello everyone, Future Immersive here. Basically what happened was I was on my way to edit the video and I've noticed quite a few microphone issues with the volume, especially with how the microphone was sounding. So unfortunately from this point on, what's gonna happen is I am gonna have to switch up to my backup microphone from 14's default microphone, as the lavalier microphone was getting very inconsistent with the volume. Basically what was happening was at certain points of the video the volume had a massive spike and then sometimes it was like silent. It was a very tough decision for me to even consider using this microphone. However, I might still give it some second consideration to be using this for my future videos, but for now yeah, this is what I'm gonna have to be saying in terms of the microphone. It's not doing great in terms of volume, because it can cause a lot of, to the listeners, to the audiences out there, if you guys are using speakers or even headphones, it can cause ear damage. It can make it sound very distorted, very bad. So I'm gonna have to unfortunately cut out the microphone and just switch back to the backup microphone. So unfortunately, I'm very sorry to inform you guys this, but this is a short note. Now I'm gonna send you guys back to the video. So overall, what did I think of this microphone from that salt shaking test and the exhaust test? It is a pretty solid microphone, I guess. The volume in terms of the microphone was actually incredibly fluctuating for some reason. I don't know if this could be my iPhone maybe not accepting the microphone, or it could be to do with maybe my AirPods even. I was just playing back through the video. But I think we just have to hold it from a pretty spacious distance from our actual like sound source. However, yeah, you could definitely say the salt shaking was definitely present in the video. Like especially the microphone could pick up the salt, but that's only because it's just salt property, and it's not really much to do with the wind. However, the exhaust wise, as soon as the exhaust was started, you could slightly hear it in the background, but then it was pretty much as noise cancelled through the microphone's built-in noise cancelling wind mesh. However, I must say this is a pretty alright microphone, although I would give it a rating of 3.5 out of 5. Not really my personal favorite in terms of indoor recording, because I could just use the iPhone 14's microphone. However, yeah, I would just personally say this microphone is it's not really the best. And once again, with the consistency, it's not really great either. So I'm just gonna have to say this one has to be for outside uses, like for example in crowds and that, because then it'll be a more like suitable scenario. However, that's not to say I'm not gonna use this. I will be using this, guys, so don't panic. But yeah, it's just the sort of fluctuations throughout this microphone is kind of giving me some bad vibes. All in all, however, for a budget microphone, this is a solid product, so I'm gonna have to give this a 3.5. But if you do want to consider using this in your videos, you're more than welcome to go ahead. This is not through any means a bad product. This is a very solid product, so I'm gonna have to give this a 3.5 for its price. It's actually pretty good. It does the job done. So if you do need a budget-friendly microphone, you may go ahead. If you're looking for something a little bit more high-ended, I would consider using your device's microphone. Like, for example, me, I would say I'd use my iPhone 14's microphone, or you might as well consider buying a higher-end microphone for a little bit more price, but it's all worth it at the end. So overall, I'm gonna have to say this is gonna have to go back. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this lavalier microphone unboxing video. Once again, make sure to give it a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any sort of upcoming videos, do make sure to hit the subscribe button with the notification bell. That would be very much appreciated. And once again, we've hit 65 subscribers from the time I'm uploading this video, so I'm pretty much very excited. You know what? We can just get rid of you. Alright guys, so once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, goodbye from Immersive. Very interesting Apple Watch protective cover. It was in charge for quite a while. And there you have it. That's the Apple Watch with the wristband.